What up, y'all? Welcome back to Autofocus. We got an exciting day today. We got Byron's EG and Alex Archetta's Zevo. We're at Streets of Willow right now, and they're gonna hit the track pretty soon. So I'll catch you guys there. Yo, alright, I just took a ride in Byron's EG. That shit was fucking quick. For an EG, that was pretty fast, bro. Thanks for the ride, Byron. Alex's car right now. We're about to go on session 3, right?
I think so, man. I look fucking dead, dude.
Session 3, guys. Let's do it. Back to autofocus. My boy Alex right here, and we're at the junkyard right now. Look at all this fucking rest in peace to all you souls. Sick. I just found a front grill that I wanted to pick up for the Accord, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. All right, just made it home. Well, actually I've been home for a while. Picked up a grill and a lip, a 94 lip. I didn't really pick up what I wanted to pick up because a lot of the stuff was pretty bunk at the junkyard. Yo, real quick, my bumper didn't have these clips. They're supposed to have these clips, so when you put your lip on, it screws into something and holds it in place. And I forgot to check before I went to the junkyard with Alex, so I don't have these on my bumper. Luckily he had these laying around from his under tray for his Evo, and it actually worked pretty well. So I went to O'Reilly's and I grabbed some of these fasteners, and I went and tried that nut into these fasteners, and it works pretty well. It's almost the same size, so I'll go home and try it out. I probably went to the store about like 3 or 4 times already today, but whatever. I'm gonna go get the longer screws. Well, I'm gonna see if there's any longer screws I can use that'll fit into the clips I bought, and if not, I guess I'll just use zip ties, but I don't really want to use zip ties. So back to the store we go. All right, we're gonna change the look. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.